kids! Welcome to Animal ABC's adventure! Today, we're going to learn the English alphabet with both wild and domestic animals. Let's explore the alphabet with animals. Are you ready? Let's go from A to Z. A is for alligator. Snap,
Stop the cutting, stop the harm.
Alligators live in swamps and rivers.
They swing on trees, they
B
gather
is for
food,
bunny.
living
So
life
soft
just
and
as they
fluffy.
should.
Bunnies
But with
are
dangers
soft
all
and
around,
love to munch on
help them
carrots.
stay safe and sound.
C is for
Protect the
cheetah.
gorillas, let them
Meow,
be
meow.
in the wild,
Cheetahs are
wild
the
and
fastest
free.
land animals.
Stop the cutting,
D
stop
is
the
for
harm.
dog, a
Keep them safe
loyal
from all
friend.
alarm.
Dogs are loyal and make great companions. E is for elephant.
But swing
So
on trees, they
big and
gather
strong.
food, living
Elephants
life
are
just
gentle
as they
giants
should.
with long
But with
trunks.
dangers
F
all
is
around,
for fox.
help them stay
Sneaky
safe and
and
sound.
clever.
Protect the gorillas,
Foxes
let
are
them
known
be
for their
in
cunning
the
ways.
wild, wild and free.
T
Stop
is
the
for
cutting,
giraffe.
Stop the harm. Keep them safe from all
Giraffes
alarm.
have long necks and beautiful spotted coats. Is for horse. Giddy up! Horses are strong animals, often used for riding. I is for iguana. Iguanas have scaly skin and long tails. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are powerful big cats with beautiful spots. K is for koala. Koalas are marsupials known for their cuddly appearance. L is for lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkeys are intelligent and love to play. N is for numbat. Numbats are small marsupials with striking stripes. O is for owl. Owls are nocturnal birds known for their hooting calls. P is for penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that swim gracefully. Q is for quokka. Quokkas are friendly marsupials with joyful expressions. R is for rabbit. Rabbits are herbivorous animals with fluffy tails. S is for sloth. Sloths are slow-moving creatures that love to relax. T is for tiger. Tigers are powerful predators and have distinctive stripes. U is for urielmeme. Uriels have long horns found in mountains. V is for vulture. Vultures are scavenger birds that help clean up the environment. W is for wolf. Wolves are social animals that live in packs. X is for xeris. Xeris are small ground squirrels found in Africa. Y is for yak. Yaks are sturdy animals with long, shaggy hair. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, making them unique. That concludes our Animal ABC's adventure. We've learned about wild and domestic animals from A to Z. Join us next time for more fun learning adventures. Please share and subscribe.
Nibbling on a carrot treat, twitching